Hello, I'm Aled. I'm a local area coordinator for Sandfields East and West. Today's the launch of the Sandfields Library of Things. Library of Things is essentially an opportunity for local residents to come along, borrow some equipment, expensive items such as a jet wash, a carpet cleaner, some of those items that you might use occasionally, equipment that you might put away and will end up rotting away in the garage and end up potentially then in landfill in the future. So what we're trying to do is get away from that and encourage local residents to come along and borrow these expensive pieces of equipment. So from next Monday, 10 till 12 on a Monday and a Tuesday, local residents come and borrow a range of equipment such as those I mentioned. We've got a jet wash, a carpet cleaner, a drill, a screwdriver. We've even got a tent. You know, local families may want to come and borrow a tent for a weekend in the summer. So we've got a range of things, but it's not just ending there. We're going to encourage residents to tell us, you know, what else they'd like to borrow. So that could be a sewing machine, it could be anything really, a strimmer. So it doesn't end there. There's room for growth and there's more opportunities for other things to come in the future. But more importantly, we've got volunteers running it for us. All local people who are passionate about the community, and it's giving them a little bit of purpose and an opportunity for them to learn new skills as well.
I'm here today at the opening of the new Library of Things project. The project offers residents a place in which to borrow items without the burden of having to buy brand new. Not only did it save our residents money during the cost of living crisis, but also helps us reduce waste and promote a greener, more sustainable way of living.